Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got some hot topics in the world of crypto that I'm eager to dive into. I'll be discussing two intriguing news stories originally reported by CoinDesk, the leading source for blockchain and cryptocurrency news. So, let's get right into it. First up, we've got a massive strategic agreement between BitGo and South Korean commercial bank Hana Bank. For those who haven't heard, BitGo is a California-based crypto custodian, and they've recently entered a partnership with Hana Bank to develop custody services and security solutions. The deal was announced at Korea Blockchain Week, and it also involves a potential joint venture. This comes just 3 weeks after BitGo raised $100 million at a valuation of $1.75 billion. Hana Bank is no small player either, boasting $448 billion in assets under management. For more details, you can check out the original article on CoinDesk. Next on our agenda is Deribit's impressive 17% growth in crypto derivatives trading volume in August. Despite the global trading volume declining by 12.1%, Deribit bucked the trend. Their volume rose to $42 billion last month, primarily driven by options trading. Deribit currently controls nearly 90% of the global crypto options activity. This is a really big deal, especially considering the market's volatility. If you want to delve deeper into this topic, the full article is available on CoinDesk. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found these insights from CoinDesk as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps to keep this channel going. And of course, for more comprehensive coverage, you can always head over to CoinDesk's website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.